If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Threads, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Access account settings. Log into your Threads account and navigate to the account settings. Look for the option that relates to security or privacy settings. Step 2. Locate two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the section dedicated to two-factor authentication. This is where you can manage your authentication methods. Step 3. Disable current two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off the current two-factor authentication method. You may need to enter your password or verify your identity to proceed. Step 4. Choose a new two-factor authentication method. After disabling the current method, choose a new two-factor authentication method. Options may include SMS authentication apps or email verification. Step 5. Enable new two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable the new two-factor authentication method. Make sure to complete any verification steps required to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Threads. Always ensure your account is secure by regularly updating your authentication methods.